You see, I knew you wasn't going to look at all of those tools without having to take one step further and actually see how quick it is to set one of them up. Let's get automated. I'm Josiah Kostek with Automation Answer, and I got my good buddy, the tool master, Chad Gray, with me, and he's going to break this all the way down. How's it going today, Chad?
Doing great. How about yourself?
Man, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling excited, man. It's awesome to see the team growing so much, and it's all by taking little steps like this. So, I mean, hey, this is only going to take a couple of minutes, to be completely honest. And then after this, we're going to move you on to the next video where you get to see a whole nother step and a whole nother level of automation you just can't do alone. So where are we at right now? I know we're in the back office of our amazing tool, and we're looking at a few templates. Where are we going from here, Chad?
Yeah, there's obviously, hundreds and hundreds of templates to choose from, in your back office. We're just going to do something simple just to show you how quickly and easily you can get from point A of not having anything at all to point B of having a sales ready landing page. So we'll just go ahead and click edit here to get started. And it's going to go pull up the page editor. And then all we do is we just start editing the different pieces of the puzzle. So start up here, we'll go ahead and put in our logo. And we already have some images already loaded in here, but if you did want to load a new one, you would just click here and click upload. But we're going to go ahead and use ones that we already have.
And obviously there's tons and tons of ways that you're able to customize these things, and you're going to see from the background image, you're able to use videos, you're able to pretty much animate any aspect of this this whole layout, and it's all a matter of a click of a button. And the videos showing you how to be able to set up these tools, they're just on a faucet, you know what I mean? There's many different places to start. However, you're going to be able to see the easy way of going about doing it. And when it comes to a site like this, honestly, it's about giving information, just like how you've been coming through the different sites here, clicking on the buttons, watching the videos, gathering the information, and then of course you're moving forward through the buyer's journey, correct? And right now it's just about getting information to see if this is something that's right for you. All right. And then obviously you're going to want to generate leads from capture systems just like this one, because these are your potential clients. I know from, plain experience, if this doesn't seem like something that's going to benefit you, it's not going to, help you save time, make a little bit more money, well, then we're going to part ways pretty much from here. You're not going to want to go any further. However, for everybody on here that I can actually see how their business can benefit from being able to set up tools like this, gather leads, and actually, follow up with people. What do they say? The fortune is in the follow-up. If people are just clicking your YouTubes, you can't always see who is interested in your stuff. There's nothing, tying that click with a potential client. But this right here is. That way, when you wake up in the morning, you can see the different people that clicked your video and went another step further. And then you're going to be able to re-engage them, get back in contact with them. And so you can actually see if this is going to work for them. And if it is, well, then you just help a person with a problem find a solution. And the tools are what's going to narrow it down for you. So show us, what have we done so far, Chad?
Okay, so really all we've done at this point is just edit the template to customize it to fit our needs. So we changed the headline, changed the tagline, edited the image, changed the header and the footer, logos, and already we're pretty much at a page where we can start, advertising. At this point, we're going to go ahead and connect the autoresponder, because, getting the lead is just one piece of the puzzle. You also have to be able to follow up with and contact that lead. So to connect the autoresponder, the first thing we'd have to do is go into our autoresponder software that comes included with our amazing tool, and we would just go ahead and create a new subscriber list. Now I've already gone ahead and done it here, just in the interest of saving us some time, but if you wanted to create a new one, you would just go ahead and click name, description, click continue. Same thing if you wanted to create a campaign name, choose the list you want it to go to, and click continue. And then obviously there's some more steps, but Once your list is created, then you can go ahead and go back into your page editor. You can go ahead and right click on the form button here. We have to actually save it first, so let me go ahead and do that. And we'll just call this the test layout 1. Okay, now that we've gone ahead and saved this, we should be able to attach our autoresponder by clicking on that button and clicking configure. It's going to ask us which autoresponder we want to use. We click in here. It asks us which list we would like to use. In this case, we're going to use the automation answer list. And just like that, guys, you are all set up.
Now, about 85% of the people that are going to be watching this video are going to be on mobile. What's the scenario for that?
Yeah, so if you just go ahead and switch this little tab here, it's going to go ahead and show you your mobile version. And then you can go ahead and completely customize the mobile version to look exactly how you want the mobile version to look. So, you know, we have to space some things out here, do a couple of quick edits, but pretty easy stuff.
You see, this is the kind of stuff that sets our tool apart from all those other platforms. I mean, generally, you're going to want a lot of different plugins, a lot of extensions. A lot of the time, this is going to be extra fees, but this is something that's all included. You're able to, you know, create platforms across multiple different outlets that people are going to be able to use. That is being prepared for the future. All right, that is the competitive advantage. You got to appreciate that. Not to mention, you know, hosting. You know, if you're doing a WordPress, you have to pay hosting separate. Not here. You got the hosting included. You have to buy your SSL certificate, so you actually have a secured page. Not here. It's already included. You don't have to pay any extra. Guys, you don't find this stuff anywhere else. So now that we have, you know, our capture system set up, now that we have an email campaign set up, pretty much we can go from there and just start making emails and then making content and sharing the link, correct?
Correct. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and spruce this up a little bit more, you could actually add background images in. So let's say maybe we wanted to add a background, make it not so plain. We'd go ahead and grab one of these images here. And then boom, you got a background.
Excellent. Tons of things you can do with the images. You can do endless things with the text, with the videos, with the images. And again, tons and tons of ways to actually even animate these different captions. You can make pop-up boxes and things of that nature. Like you can add a menu and add additional pages, unlimited subdomains. You know what I mean? So, and again, we didn't even have to talk about the unlimited fact, the unlimited emails, unlimited clients. You know, every other company you're going to come across, these guys are going to limit you, okay? Not here. This is why you keep pushing that next button, because nobody else has this stuff. Am I right? So pretty much from here, you know, we got the functional site, right? That's what we set out to do. And it's only been a few minutes. As I've been running my mouth and just chatting your ear off, Chad has completely slapped this entire website together. He's already connected an email autoresponder, which I'm sure he can go in there and make some nice custom emails that are going to be able to go out to clients that come and put their information in here. He now has a business that quickly.
Yep, it's done. I mean, you could literally start marketing to new customers immediately. You can make this site live and just start spreading it out to your potential customers, where they can opt in and start receiving your email sequences automatically.
Good Lord, unbelievable, guys. So there you have it, man. I'm really glad Chad got to jump in here. And even though we did this in just a matter of a few minutes, you know, that's pretty much it. So, I mean, if you want to be able to harness the power of this, man, you know there's only one more button. All right, there's that get started button right below this video. Then you're actually going to come in. You're going to try this for 7 days free. You're going to join our team. You're going to be talking to me personally, Chad personally, you know, other partners that we have out there. And we're going to see how quickly we can get you set up to actually generate an income. All right. And I mean, right there, you know, the proof is in the pudding, you know, and don't forget, guys, the power up, man. If you want to be able to harness the power of text message, of ringless voicemails, if you want to be able to combine that with your email marketing campaign, I mean, come on, this is the future. And honestly, you're not even seeing that many businesses doing that yet. You could be the one ahead of the curve. You could be the one that's king of the mountain. All you gotta do, click that power up and see exactly how fast we can go ahead and switch it up and implement the power of text message, voicemail, and all that good stuff. So Chad, thank you again for jumping on here, man. I'm really glad you got to connect with me and blow these people's minds one more time.
No problem, Josiah. Anytime.
All right, man. We'll see you guys on the next one. Click below now.